Hello dear friends, you are welcome in my YouTube channel MK Alam Mathematics Classes. Today I will show you that how can you draw any angle with the help of compass. But before that I will show you some instruments of instrument box. First one, this is compass and this is pencil, and second one is, which you know also, this is scale, but actually this is ruler. And after this I will show you that the name of this instrument is protractor. It means this is protractor, and these both are known set of square. Okay, and after this we will draw some angles with the help of compass and ruler, and we will check it that what we get, that is right or wrong. So let's start. First one is, we will going to make an angle of 60 degrees. Okay dear friends, first you have to draw a line, and after that you will have to take a point on this line, and you have to take your compass, and this is your needle. This needle should be on this point, and after that you will have to make a semicircle with this. This is your semicircle. You can also take a half of this or some little, and after this you will have to do only one thing, that you will have to take your needle on this point, and you will have to cut this semicircle as like this. And if you will join this point from this point, then you will get this line, and this is your 60-degree angle. But remember this, you will not have to visit anything. It means you will not have to do greater or smaller this. If you will take one time as like this, then always this will be as like this. Yes or not? Okay. And after that I will see how can you draw the angle of 30 degree. This is very simple friends. You will have to do only one thing. You know very well that this is 60-degree angle, and if you will do from here as like this, and from this point you will take an arc as like this. This is also called arc. Then this is divided in two groups. It means this 60-degree angle will be divided into two parts and equal two parts, and if you will take one part, then this part will be your 30-degree angle, which is very simple. It means this angle will be 30 degree. Okay, now we will see how can you make 120-degree angle. So let's see in other question. So we will have to do as like this. Okay, now we will see the drawing of angle 120 degree. Okay, and you will have to simply as like that, which you have done in previous. Now you will have to take your ruler, and you will have to draw a line simply, and you will have to take a point on this line, and take your compass and put your needle on this point, and after this you will have to draw a semicircle. This is your semicircle, and take your needle on this point and take an arc on this semicircle, and you know very well this is 60 degree. And after this, if you will do again as like this, then you will get 120 degree angle. It means this is 120 degree angle. This is your 120 degree angle. Okay, and you know very well from here to here you have 60 degree angle, and from here to here it is 60 degree angle. So with this figure you can also make 90 degree angles easily. You will have to do only one thing, that your needle should be on this point, and you will have to draw an arc as like this, and after this you will have to take your needle on this point, and you will have to draw an arc which will be cut on this point, and simply you will have to draw this. If you will draw from here to here, then you will get an angle of 90 degree, because you know very well that from here to here 60 degree, and from here to here also 60 degree, but you have divided this angle into two equal parts. So from here to here you have 30 degree angle. It means you can say from here to here 60 and from here to here 30, and if you will add both these, then you will get 90 degree angles. So this will be your 90 degree angle. Understand? Okay, now we will learn about another angle. So now we will learn how can we make the 45 degrees angle. So with this figure we can easily understand about drawing an angle of 45 degree. You know very well, if your needle will be on this point, and after that you can draw an arc, and after that you will take your needle on this point, and if you will draw an arc, and at which point your if you will make those points, then you will get 45 degree angle. So you will have to do simply only one thing, that your needle will be on this line, on this point, and you will have to draw an arc as like this, and after this you will have to take your needle on this point, and you will get, this is the cutting point of both these, and after this you will have to take your ruler, and you will have to take a line, because this is the half an angle of 90 degree, so this is 45 degree. It means this is 45 degree angle. Understand? So we have learned how can we make 60 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 90 degree angle, 120 degree angle, 45 degree angle. Now we will also learn how can we make other angles. So now we will learn about how can we make 135 degree angle. So let's do that. Now we will see about drawing an angle of 135 degree. Okay, and you know very well that with this figure I can make you understand that from here to here is 60 degree, and from here to here you have also 60 degree, and from here to here you have also 60 degree, because this is the straight angle, and straight angle is of 180 degree. And if you will divide this angle, then you will get here 30 degree, and from here to this point you will get 150 degree angle. Okay, now we are trying to do that. I am doing as like that. You will have not do any other things, only you will have to draw a line, and after that take a point on this line, and after this you will have to, okay, now I am, and after this your needle should be on this line, and after that draw a semicircle. It means from here to here you will get 60 degree, and if you will draw again here, then you will get 120 degree, and from here to here is 180 degree, you know very well. Now I will divide this point, this angle into two parts. Then this will be from here to here 30 degree. So from here to here if you will get, then you if you will take, then you will get 150 degree. It means if you will make those these points, then you will get an angle of 150 degree. But our aim to drawing an angle of 135 degree. So you will have to do only one thing, that this you know very well that from this point to this point you have 30 degree. Then if you will divide this angle, then you will get 15 degree. You will get 15 degree. Then you will have to do only from here to here, and also you will have to take your needle on this point, and you will have to cut this. And after this, if you will make both these points, then you will get an angle of 130 degree. Now let's see, after measuring both these, you will have to do this line will be on this line, and point should be on this line. So you will have to take as like this, and you have get that here is 135 degree angle. So you can try how can you make drawing 60 degree angle, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 120 degree, and 135 degree. And you have learned also that this is your 150 degree angle from here to here. I am taking this dot line, so this is 150 degree, and if you will take this line, then you have 135 degree angle. This is very easy. Dear friends, I forgot one thing, that how can you make 15 degree angle. Then you will have to do only one thing, that you know very well I am making you understand with the help of this angle. You know very well that from here to here you have 30 degree angle, and if you will divide this angle, then what will you get? You will get 45 degrees angle. Then you will have to do, I am measuring this, you will have to do only one thing, that your needle will be on this point, on this, and you will have to take this arc, and after this your needle will be on this point. Then you put your needle on this point and cut this arc. Then you will get this angle will be 15 degree. This is 15 degree. Now I am measuring this. You will see your line should be on this line, and here you have get that this is 15 degree angle. Here is something difference. This is not clearly 15 degree because we have taken this from outside. So you have here 16 degree. It means you will get 15-degree angle if you will do yourself very clearly. So you have learned how can you make 15 degrees angle, 30 degrees angle, 60 degrees angle, 45, 90, 120 and 135. And we will see another angles, how can you draw any other angle in other part of this video. So let's see.